Welcome. In this video I will show you how to mute microphone on your LENOVO G70-35 laptop. So to mute the microphone on your device, you'll have to go to the Start menu. From here select the Settings application, and once it opens up, let's go to the System Settings. Now select Sound section right here and go down until you see your microphone device right here, and then tap on Manage Sound Devices. Then select your microphone once again and tap on Disable. And right now your microphone is muted for every application that tries to use it. To enable it, just tap on it once again and select Enable. And that's it for this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below.